Hello everyone, welcome back to Acedo's Kitchen. In this video, I am showing you how I cut potato chips. I start by peeling the potatoes, rinse and drain them, then I cut the potatoes. This is how I like mine, but you can adjust the size to your liking. Once I'm done cutting the potatoes, I rinse and drain them. Then I pat them dry with paper towels ready for frying. For the recipe of how to cook French fries, check out the recipe linked in the top right corner of this video. Thanks for watching and see you all in the next video.